everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to UJANCREATIONS. Today I'm going to show you how to make an electromagnet. This is my school project.
Yes.
And this is my dad. He helped me with making this video and the project. He bought all the supplies for us. And I'm going to today share with y'all the project. Hope you enjoy this.
So, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. So guys, let's start. I'm doing this. I'm creating my project. I will tell you that I did not do all of this alone. I did take help from my dad. So yeah. So let's begin. First, let's take a look at our materials. First up, we have is copper wire. Copper wire. I have nothing more to say. Don't forget to use insulated copper wire. This is an iron screw. A great iron. First, we are going to wrap the copper wire round this screw. Okay? First of all, pull out a lot of the screw so you don't have to pull on it for many times. And then you start the thing. Extra parts of the copper wire take a bit more. And start wrapping it not at just this part. Do it at this part. Not at the complete top, okay? Not at the complete top. This takes forever to do.
Just stick with tape.
Oh yeah. Also, you should also stick it with tape.
যত বেশি টাইট করবে তত এটা ভালো কাজ করবে।
Okay.
ঠিক আছে?
Yes, I understand.
করো।
Show you which side is negative and which side is positive. This side, this copper wire piece is negative and this one is positive. You understand? Hope you all do. Thing, good wrap, a nice wrap. Alright guys, I have wrapped it around the tape, around the wire. Now it's completely stuck. Now I'm going to take this knife, and use it to remove the insulation in these wires. These wires have insulation that makes the lifespan a little longer. But in order for them to work, we have to remove the insulation. We did it on one side. Now let's flip the side and see if we can do that. Alright guys, I'm done removing it. Done removing all the coating. You can see it's shining. This part is shining. You can see that. That means you have removed the coating and this wire can be usable. So guys, now I have another item. This is the battery. It is a 9-volt battery. You can see it written in here, 9-volt battery. I'm going to now connect it. Now there's a thing about this, and you should connect this part to here and this part to there. Kind of like flip it. And see guys, it's connected. This is the batteries here guys. Look, these wires are the batteries here. Now guys, we have to connect this and this. Both of these wires are connected. The copper wire and the battery wires are connected. Do not touch these parts too much because they can get very hot. Let's see if this actually works. This actually works. I hope so. I'm pretty sure I made no mistakes while making this. We have some safety pins. These are called safety pins. They're made of iron. So we put them here. Guys, it's working. Oh my god. Guys, look, guys. I'm so happy. This works. This means I can get extra marks on my test. I win. And my god, guys. I can't believe that this actually works. Now, if this does not work, that means the battery does not work. So guys, I'm going to give you right now some more additional information. Do you know electromagnets are actually used in factories because you can actually use them you can increase the capacity of them. You can increase the capacity, the strength by attaching more batteries, more by wrapping it with copper wire a bit more. So let's say you need to carry a lot more heavier load than the magnet can carry. Well, use an electromagnet. Add more electricity, add more copper wire, wrap it around, and then you can take up the load. Yeah guys, you can actually do that. So let's see what I observed after doing this project. Well, as we saw, when we connect the wire to the battery, the electromagnet started working, and then the iron safety pins got connected and stuck to the iron screw. And we also learned that once we disconnect this wire, once we disconnect both of these, the paper clips will no longer be attached to it. You can see they're still attached to the For some reason, they just won't stop attaching. Yeah, so that's what we learned.
If you like this video,
don't forget to subscribe,
share,
and ring the bell for upcoming videos.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.